Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we will discuss how to earn money on Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular online rewards platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and playing games. The best part is that it's completely free to join and you can start earning right away. When you complete tasks, you earn points called Swagbucks, or SB, which can be redeemed for various rewards. These include gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Starbucks, as well as PayPal cash for those who prefer direct payments. The more activities you engage in, the more SB you can accumulate. To maximize your earnings, it's important to explore all the available features. Some users focus on surveys, while others take advantage of cashback offers, daily goals, and referral bonuses. Understanding how to use these options efficiently can help you earn rewards faster. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the best strategies to make the most of Swagbucks and boost your earnings effectively. To get started, sign up for a free account on the Swagbucks website or app. You can use an email address or sign up with Google or Facebook. After signing up, complete your profile to get personalized offers. Sometimes, Swagbucks offers a sign-up bonus, which can be a quick way to earn extra points right away. One of the easiest and most popular ways to earn SB on Swagbucks is by answering surveys. The platform has a dedicated survey section where you can complete short questionnaires in exchange for points. These surveys are typically conducted by market research companies looking for consumer opinions on various products, services, and trends. The more surveys you complete, the more SB you earn. Surveys vary in length and reward amounts, with longer and more detailed surveys usually offering higher payouts. Some surveys may take just a few minutes, while others can take 20 minutes or more. Before starting a survey, Swagbucks often provides an estimate of the time required and the number of SB you can earn, allowing you to choose the most rewarding opportunities. It's important to answer all survey questions honestly and consistently. Swagbucks uses quality control measures to detect inconsistent or rushed responses, and if your answers seem unreliable, you may be disqualified from completing surveys in the future. To maximize your earnings, check the survey section multiple times a day as new surveys are added regularly. Some may have limited spots available, so acting quickly can increase your chances of qualifying and earning more SB. Another simple way to earn SB on Swagbucks is by watching videos. The platform offers a wide range of video content, including news updates, entertainment clips, product advertisements, and lifestyle videos. These videos are often curated by advertisers and market researchers who want to gauge audience engagement and preferences. While watching videos is an easy way to earn, the payout is generally lower compared to completing surveys. You typically need to watch multiple videos in a row before seeing a noticeable increase in your SB balance. Some video playlists require you to watch a certain number of clips before you can earn points. This method is best suited for passive earning. You can let the videos play in the background while working on other tasks, browsing the internet, or even relaxing. Although it won't generate a large number of SB quickly, it's a simple and effortless way to accumulate points over time, especially if you're consistent. Checking the video section regularly can help you find new content and maximize your earnings. Swagbucks also rewards users for shopping online through its cashback program. By making purchases through the Swagbucks portal, you can earn a percentage of your spending back in SB, which can later be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. This feature is a great way to save money while shopping for things you already plan to buy. Major retailers such as Walmart, Amazon, Target, Best Buy, and many others are partnered with Swagbucks, offering cashback incentives on a variety of products, including clothing, electronics, groceries, and household essentials. The cashback rate varies by retailer and may also change depending on special promotions or seasonal offers. To take advantage of this feature, simply visit the Swagbucks website and navigate to the Shop section. Find the retailer you want to purchase from and click on the link provided. This will redirect you to the retailer's official website where you can complete your purchase as you normally would. As long as you start your shopping session through Swagbucks, your SB will be credited to your account within a few days to a few weeks, depending on the store's processing time. Searching the web through Swagbucks search engine is another way to earn. Instead of using Google, use the Swagbucks search bar. Random searches will occasionally reward you with SB. The amount varies and you may not win every time, but over time, this can add up. You can also earn by playing games. Swagbucks offers some free games that give you points, but you can also earn by playing certain paid games. Some games require an initial investment, but they offer higher rewards. If you enjoy gaming, this can be a fun way to earn SB while playing games you like. A higher paying option is completing offers. Swagbucks has an offer section where you can sign up for free trials, install apps, or subscribe to services. Some offers pay a few points, while others pay hundreds or even thousands. Read the terms carefully before completing an offer. Some require you to keep a subscription active for a certain period, while others give points immediately after signing up. Another great way to boost your earnings on Swagbucks is through its referral program. Swagbucks rewards you for inviting friends, family, or anyone in your network to join the platform using your unique referral link. When someone signs up through your link, you receive a bonus once they start earning. The referral program doesn't just provide a one-time bonus, you also earn a percentage of your referral's lifetime earnings. Typically, Swagbucks gives you 10% of whatever your referral earns, meaning that the more active they are, the more passive income you generate over time. Additionally, Swagbucks often runs promotions where new users who sign up through a referral link receive a welcome bonus, making it more attractive for them to join. Daily goals and streak bonuses can also help you maximize your earnings. Swagbucks sets daily earning goals, and if you reach them, you get bonus points. If you keep earning daily, you can build a streak and unlock even more bonuses. You can also earn by completing daily tasks. Swagbucks has a to-do list that gives you small bonuses for completing different activities each day. These tasks may include taking a survey, watching a video, or using the search feature. Checking off these tasks daily can increase your overall earnings. For those looking for a passive way to earn, Swagbucks offers the Swagbucks Live app and the Swagbucks TV feature. Leaving these running in the background can help you accumulate points over time without actively engaging. Head over to the Swagbucks Rewards Store, where you can choose from a variety of cash-out options. The most popular choices include PayPal Cash and gift cards from well-known retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Target, and many others. If you prefer direct cash, redeeming SB for PayPal allows you to transfer your earnings to your bank account or use them for online purchases. Gift cards, on the other hand, can be a great way to save money on everyday expenses or treat yourself to something special. Swagbucks also occasionally offers discounts on certain rewards, meaning you might need fewer SB to redeem a specific gift card. For example, a $25 Amazon gift card may sometimes be available for just 2,200 SB instead of the usual 2,750 SB. To maximize your earnings, keep an eye out for these special promotions and redeem your points when the best deals are available. To earn money quickly on Swagbucks, it's best to combine multiple earning methods rather than relying on just one. Prioritize high-paying activities like completing surveys, signing up for promotional offers, and shopping through the Swagbucks portal, as these typically yield the most SB in the shortest amount of time. At the same time, take advantage of passive methods such as watching videos, using the Swagbucks search engine, and playing games to keep earning effortlessly in the background. To further boost your earnings, look out for special bonuses, daily streak rewards, and referral commissions. Swagbucks often runs limited-time promotions where you can earn extra SB for completing certain tasks or reaching milestones. Additionally, Inviting friends to join through your referral link can provide a steady stream of passive income, as you'll earn a percentage of their lifetime earnings. Make it a habit to check Swagbucks regularly for new opportunities. New surveys, cashback offers, and promotional deals are added frequently, and being proactive will help you take advantage of the most lucrative options. By consistently applying these strategies, you can maximize your earnings and make the most of Swagbucks as an easy and efficient way to earn extra money online.